Transcription number 19. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, I would like to make a few observations so that the Honorable Minister will make a note about the way in which these institutions are being run. It is a good thing that these institutions have been started, but at the same time, we are suffering from lack of coordination in regard to our technical education. We have certain institutes like the Polytechnic, etc., under the Scientific Research and Cultural Affairs Ministry, and they are run through the state governments. Then there are the engineering colleges under the universities, and thirdly, sir, trade technical education is imparted by the Central Labor Ministry at the state level. In addition to that, the states have certain arrangements of their own for technical education. I feel that there is no effort at coordination, and that leads to a good deal of confusion. Perhaps if there is effort, there are certain difficulties. I hope the Honorable Minister will tell us about that. I would also like to suggest that even in these 4 institutions, as for some time, the medium of instruction would be English. For emotional integration, an attempt should be made to take a few students from the neighboring region or